Barangay. Hatid sa inyo ni Mayor Jumel Anthony Espino at ng LGU Bugalyon. Barangayan Season 6. Basta Bugalyon, serbisyong champion. One Bugalyon!
Fulfill your American dream. Immigration Consultancy Services of St. Ilred increases your chance of being approved, particularly on base petition abroad to the USA, direct from their U.S. immigration lawyers based in New York City. You heard it right. Immigration Consultancy Services of St. Ilred guarantees you to the USA. They also offer all kinds of visa assistance like tourist visa, fiancé and spouse visa petition, assistance for the application of re-entry to the U.S., application of waiver of ineligibility or any grounds of inadmissibility, assistance for the request of humanitarian revalidation like death of a petitioner, U.S. passport renewal, dual citizenship, Child Status Protection Act, and consular report of birth abroad, assists police clearance abroad, and travel health insurance, assists all kinds of immigration problems. So, what are you waiting for? Visit Immigration Consultancy Services of St. Ilred at the second floor of CFM Building, Paris Boulevard, Dagupan City.
For more info, call St. Ilred Immigration Network Services at 0922-888-4438 or 0915-888-0367.
For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. John 3:16. Ang mabuting balita ay hatid sa inyo ng MX3. Mag-MX3 araw-araw para M-Extraordinary.
Abless Glass Group Corporation gives you perfect time to choose your best design. Innovative glass, aluminum, accessories, only here at Abless Glass Group Corporation. Introducing their Vertex brand, quality, standard, stylish, and guaranteed. Vertex brand offer the best services for you. For building and rebuilding, choose Vertex. Available in Abless Glass Group Corporation. They also offer processed glass tempered, IGU, and laminated. Located at number 529 Diversion Road, San Miguel, Calasiao, Pangasinan. You can contact them at 099999-47420 or 653-7421. Magpapahuli ka pa ba sa iba? Dito ka na sa subok na. Basta Vertex, sigurado ka.
Anong oras na?
Ay, 2:19 na.
That time check was by Downy. New Downy Sweetheart. 5 pesos lang. That time check was brought to you by Pride with Fabcon. Ituloy ang bango with Pride.
On board is Tita Ronnie.
Bishi dyan, mga beshi. This afternoon, kwentuhang nanay po tayo. Mga nanay na 9 na buwan na dinala ka sa kanyang sinapupunan. Tapos, anong gagawin mo? Paiiralin mo yung katigasan ng ulo mo? Ano ka? Ha? Ganyan kayo eh. Ganyan tayong mga anak eh. Pagkatapos ng 9 na buwan na pinaghirapan tayo, wala na tayong pakialam. Yung tipong mas uunahin mo pa yung sigaw ng puso mo kaysa sundin yung sinisigaw ng nanay mo na